Guess you wouldn't understand unless you understood. Hey.
And my brother's keeper.
Running through ghettos, hoodie like mellow, caught without meadow, lit like rellos, an unwritten rule. Taught before school, streets dropping jewels, comprehend the lose.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tweez coming at you with another video. The video that I'm doing today, I've actually never done before. You see, I ain't got my homie Mike with me, but I'm gonna do this one dolo, and it's gonna be a product review. So I always wanted to do a product review. I figured what better time than now, since I just bought a brand new product that I want to go over with y'all and see if it's something y'all might be interested in. So yeah, it's my first product review, so bear with me. Haven't got a haircut, or an edge up in a minute, but it's cold here in Charlotte, North Carolina, so I'm just roughing it out a little bit. But the product of choice today is going to be the one and only Nintendo Switch. And yeah, I'm about a year, maybe 2 years late, but haven't had a Nintendo device in a while. And one of my favorite series is dropping a game tonight at midnight, and that game is Pokemon. So, you know, I had to get it on the next gen system, just because I heard so many good reviews about it, and who wouldn't want to see Pokemon on the next gen with good graphics. So I decided to get a Switch. Never really been a big Nintendo person. I went straight from the classic Nintendo early 90s straight to a Sega, and then it's been Sega, Dreamcast, and PlayStation, everything ever since. Maybe an Xbox in there, here and there, but never really been an Xbox fan either. But I decided to go ahead and jump on the wave and get me a Switch. So I'm gonna do a product review on it. Just do the open box, see what it comes with, and yeah. So let's get it. All right, so the Nintendo Switch. Let's see what we got here. Looks like you open it up here. Looks like it has the directions on how to set it up. And there it is. Looks like some type of infrared controller. Nice Carolina blue. I'm guessing this is the screen. Very nicely packaged. Open this up. And we have HDMI cord. I guess charger, power supply, look like USB-C. That's dope. So I could probably use my MacBook charger for that. I don't know what this is, but it has like some type of buttons. I guess this is what you put the joysticks or whatever, these things, like on the front of the box, that picture. This, more button things. And then there's a box, something. Oh, the docking station. Very nice. USB ports on there. And I guess this opens up. Okay. That's where you put the HDMI cord. and charger. All right. Trash. Let's set it up here. Figure this out. Okay. I don't even know how to put this thing together, but I don't use directions. I just figured out. So, I don't think I really care about this as much right now because I want to play handheld. Boom. This boy's so smart. Look at this. Easy. Boom. Genius. I don't know what this goes to, but Mike has a switch, so I'll ask him how that works. And maybe turn it on with this button. Nintendo. Looks good. Very sleek. Oh. Let's get it. Okay, let's bring it up here so y'all can see. So I guess we press English. I'm thinking enter is gotta be B. Okay, okay, it says A, okay. I'm slow. Americas, I accept. Don't even gotta read it. Signing my life over like every other device in this house. It's my Wi-Fi network. Let me see here, I'm gonna put this in. Y'all don't need to see all that. All right. Connecting to the internet. I really like these sounds. That's one thing I did like about Nintendo. It did make you feel like you were actually like in the game. That looks like West Coast, so. This thing needs a D-pad. Oh, I guess this is the D-pad. Damn, which one am I supposed to pick? Time zone is none of these. New York, here we go. Would you like to connect to a TV and play on a larger screen? Let's do that later. Detach the Joy-Con controllers from the console. Hold the release button on the back of the controller and slide it out. Okay, oh, this. All right. Okay. Got one out. Use the left stick to select next and press A on the right controller. You can use the console with the Joy-Con controllers attached or detached. Choose the control style you prefer and continue. I want them attached, man. What are you talking about? A user will be added to the console. Okay. Create a new user. Oh, okay, so we got all these little characters you can choose from, Nintendo characters. I'm not real picky about it. They should let you add a freaking your own, but I'll pick something. Let me see what we got here. I don't know who this is, but I like it. Look like the Kanye bear gassed up. Background. You know we gotta keep it black. You know I gotta go with the infamous YouTube name. And my PlayStation name if you have a PlayStation, go ahead and add my username here, which is Tweez time. You can now link Nintendo account. I don't have one of those, I don't think. All right, so we're gonna do an update. All right, whatever. Online services. We'll do that later. No parental controls. Setup is complete. Hit the home button. All right, so I don't have any games yet, but this is how it looks. Put a Nintendo Shop, album, controller, system settings. Okay, I'm gonna go check that out later. Gotta do the black theme. Back. Yeah, so there's nothing I can really do at this time, but so far so good. Let's see here. So far what I think about the Nintendo Switch, it seems pretty, it's very lightweight, plastic, nothing like the PSP, but you know, definitely seems like it's going to be a fun device to have. I'm ready to get Pokemon tonight and really see what it's talking about. Putting Pokemon on the big TV is going to be dope. So if y'all want to add me, just add me at Tweez time, as you see. Hopefully that'll be my Nintendo account as well. And yeah, want to see how this does. I'm kind of excited to rock with it. But if you want to follow me on, you know, Twitch, YouTube, don't forget, it's always about NFO Gang. So hit the like button, subscribe, share, and I'll also do a review on the Pokemon after it comes out tonight. So if you want that, just leave a message in the comments. Also, if you want to get a NFO hoodie, there's a link in the comments as well. They running about $33. So yeah, if you want to support and help us keep growing this channel, then help us and do that, you know. But yeah, NFO Gang, Switch, open box, you know, everything that comes with it, you know how it's going to be set up. So hit me up. I'm out.
Rellos, an unwritten rule. Taught before school, streets dropping jewels, comprehend the lose.